Paradise Exteriors, family owned and operated since 2007, up over 10,000 installations, outstanding record with all social media sites, Better Business Bureau. Couple of reasons for that. We use premium products and we use our own technicians. We don't subcontract out the work. This is the Beckner family tree. Dan and Tina, our owners, and to Tina's right is their son Anthony, our COO. To Dan's left is his brother Eric, our production manager. And Dan and Eric cut their teeth as young men installing windows, roofing, sidings in Ohio. So for years, they did the work with their hands. This company is run by people who have done the work, and they expect the same quality in their work from our technicians as they put into their customers. We've been very fortunate with our growth over the past 7 years. Over 125 million in sales. Thank you, Florida. Over 150,000 windows and doors installed. We're partnered with many vendors and lenders, magazines and publications across the country. Google, one of the most trusted names, that's where we go to search for information. We have more 5-star Google reviews than any other window company in the state of Florida. That gives you peace of mind that we can do the same for you. Home Advisor, you may have seen their commercials on television. They vet out contractors in different marketplaces. If you live in St. Louis and you need a window company, they'll send you a list of window companies reputable that they have vetted out and that they have certified, and we're very proud that they have made us an elite service professional. Angie thinks we're great too. We win the Angie's List Super Service Award every year consecutively for the past 8 years. Only 5% of the window and door companies in Florida get awarded this, so there's only so many to go around, so we're very proud to be earning that year after year. The Better Business Bureau, one of the most oldest and widely known business review sites in America, and we have an A+ 5-star rating with the BBB. Thousands of satisfied customers can't be wrong, and if you look real close at this picture, you'll probably see someone you know here. We have a place for you right up here. We are a family-owned and operated business, and we have those family service values we all come to expect and want from those types of operations. We are also a very large business that can weather an economic downturn, should that happen. In 2017, we were the 80th largest window and door company in America on Qualified Remodeler's Top 500 list. This is the #1 publication in America for remodeling and home improvement, and they make a list every year of the top 500 companies based on revenue. We moved up to number 54 in 2018. Thank you, Florida. And when the 2019 list comes out, we'll be number 35. So it's the perfect marriage of family-owned and operated, but also a large company, money in the bank, can weather economic hiccups. We won't disappear. Inc. magazine makes a list of the top 5,000 fastest growing privately held companies in America every year. And last year, Paradise Exteriors was number 1,455 on that list. We grew faster than 2/3 of them, and that's based on growth, not revenue. This isn't about red or blue or politics, but the governor of Florida at the time, Rick Scott, came to our company and gave us an award, the Governor's Business Ambassador Award for job growth, because of all the jobs that we've created for Floridians, while keeping an excellent reputation along the way. We're very proud to have received that. We believe in making jobs, and we've made quite a few with the help of our valued customers, of course. We have manufacturer's warranties that we'll get into in a few minutes. This warranty is from Paradise Exteriors. This is our accidental glass breakage warranty. And it says if you accidentally break a window in your home, we have your back. We'll replace it at no cost. This is for our premium SOFT-LITE products. And it costs a little bit more to have a warranty like this in every job, but we do invest more in your customer experience than most other companies. This is our life of ownership labor warranty. The manufacturers will cover the parts, but no other companies cover the labor to put those warranted parts in. At Paradise Exteriors, for as long as you own the home that you're in, any warranted part from SOFT-LITE or a premium manufacturer, we will include the labor for you so you have no expense if something should need to be replaced on your window. And of course, there is a cost to having something like this in every job too, but we do invest more in your experience than other companies. We send a service technician out to be there for the inspection. After the job, your city's going to come out and make sure we did the job up to code and did it properly. Usually, companies leave the homeowner on their own, just the homeowner and the inspector. We send a service tech out to be there to represent you and Paradise, guide that inspector around to all the openings we did, and maybe make some last-minute adjustments to get the inspection passed, because we know your time's valuable. And yes, there is an expense to sending a technician and a truck out to every inspection, and we do about 7 or 8 a day. But it's about investing more in your experience and your protection than other companies. We're going to clean the windows for you afterwards. Most companies leave that up to the homeowner. We're going to get your windows cleaned for you afterwards, so your brand new windows look brand new and clean, and we're going to clean up the home a bit too. No matter how careful we are, there'll be some light dust that settles from taking windows out and putting windows in. And so we're going to get your home clean for you as well. It's about investing more in your experience than other companies. We know that communication is the Achilles heel of most companies. Customers feel ignored, left out of the loop. Our motto is that we don't know more about the status of your project than you do. We're constantly calling and updating. You probably saw that in so many of our reviews where it said they kept us up to speed every step of the way, and we're constantly communicating with us. We carry much more general liability and workman's comp than is required. That's to protect your family and our family, and in case something unfortunate happens on the job site. The truth is that the minimum required to get a license in this space won't go very far should something happen, should somebody be injured. So we carry 20 times the general liability and 10 times the required workman's comp to protect you and your family as well as our family. And yes, there's a little bit more of an expense to have that kind of coverage, but we do invest more in your protection and your experience than other companies. This is the window we built the company on. This is the SOFT-LITE 5400 double hung high velocity hurricane zone impact window. It has won more industry awards than any other impact window we could find, and we did very well with this window for the first 3-4 years. We built the company on this window. And then we had some feedback from customers, and we had our own ideas as to some improvements we'd like to make. So we took an already great window, the best one we could find, and we asked them to make some changes, and we asked SOFT-LITE to make them just for us. So the window you're going to see in a few minutes is designed and produced exclusively for Paradise Exteriors. SOFT-LITE is a company that's been around over 80 years. They've been around a long time. You may not have heard of them, but they're a premium company with great tenure in the business. Energy Star partner every year, so they're carbon footprint minded, which we like in today's world. Partnered with the National Crime Prevention Council I'm going to show you why this is the only window that is approved and endorsed by the NCPC, the National Crime Prevention Council for Home Security, due to the measures they've taken in the design and engineering to keep intruders out of your home. Industry-leading tolerances in terms of how closely do we have to cut a piece of material to its exact measurement in the factory. If that equipment detects more than 31 1/1000ths of an inch difference, it kicks it out. They have to start over. That way you know your windows are going to be built exactly to fit your home, custom fitted. Our other manufacturer, Custom Window Systems, over in Ocala, Florida. They make our vinyl single-hung windows, our sliding doors, and they also make our premium aluminum products as well. And they've been protecting homes from their Ocala campus for over 30 years. So we have two outstanding manufacturers with long runs in this industry, well anchored. They're not going anywhere. That's why we have done all this to make sure that you feel the same way over 10,000 people have felt, that Paradise is exactly the type of company that you feel comfortable doing business with.